First, a triangle ABC. This is a triangle ABC in which the angle B is 90 degree. Now, the remaining two angles A and C both will be acute angles. So in this right angle triangle, if I take this angle, suppose angle I am taking angle C, this one, and let me call it theta, like this. Then for this angle theta, this side on which it is made, this one, it is between the angle between the hypotenuse and the side CV. So with hypotenuse you have taken the other side BC. So this is base. This will be called for theta. This side BC will be called base, and this is hypotenuse. So for this angle, the side AB will be considered as perpendicular. This we call perpendicular. Just side opposite to it, this is perpendicular, making an angle of 90 degree with the base it is. So for this angle theta, I will take AB as perpendicular, BC as base, and AC as hypotenuse. So when we want to find the ratio of these sides, what will happen? We will take AB as perpendicular, BC as base, and AC as hypotenuse for the angle theta. I am telling about only the angle theta, about the angle theta only. For this angle, this will be considered as base, this will be considered as perpendicular, and this will be considered as hypotenuse. So for now we have got few ratios. First ratio is called sine. What is sine? Sine is the ratio of the perpendicular and the hypotenuse for the angle in the right angle triangle. So sine is sine theta. Sine theta means what is sine means the ratio between perpendicular and hypotenuse of a right angle triangle for the angle theta, and this sine theta will be is equal to how much? Here AB upon AC. Now I come to another trigonometrical ratio which is called cos theta. What is cos theta? Cos is called cosine also. This is sine. This is called cosine. But in short form you will call it cos. So cos means the ratio of the base and the hypotenuse for the angle in a right angle triangle. So cos theta is will be equal to base. What is base? BC upon AC. And then another trigonometrical ratio is tan theta, and this tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base for a certain angle in a right angle triangle. So this will be equal to here, tan theta will be equal to how much? Ratio of the perpendicular upon base. Now this tan theta is also called tangent theta. We call it tangent theta, but in short form you only may call it tan theta equal to. Now there are three more trigonometrical ratios, and those are cosec theta. That is cosec theta. Its full form is cosecant. So it is called cosecant, but you can only call it cosec theta, and it is reciprocal of sin theta, and which is equal to AC upon AB. Now this is called cosec theta. In full form, if you want to learn it, you can learn it cosecant like this. If you want, then comes secant, sec theta. You can call it secant also, and it is reciprocal of cos theta, and this is equal to AC upon BC, means ratio of the hypotenuse and the base. And the last is cotangent or cot theta. It is called cot theta, which is equal to base upon perpendicular, base upon perpendicular, that means AB. So these are the six trigonometrical ratios, and the ratios which you must learn. For short form, you can learn sounds. You can learn it like this. P B B B upon H, here H and here. So perpendicular upon hypotenuse, base upon hypotenuse, and perpendicular upon base. And here you may write sine, cos, it is cos, and here you can write it tan, and you will write it cosec, sec, and then it will be cot, cosec H upon P, H upon B cos, H upon B sec, and B upon P equal to cot. Sin P upon H, yeah, this one, this like this. You can say some people have curly brown hair through proper brushing. Some people have curly brown hair through proper brushing. So this is a fundamental formula for the for the trigonometry ratio. What some people have curly brown hair through proper brushing, which gives you the ratio of sine, cos, and tan. P upon H, B upon S, and P upon B, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, base upon hypotenuse, and perpendicular upon base. Some people have curly brown hair through proper brushing. This one. Now, when you have learned all this, you can see here that sin theta is a reciprocal of cosec theta. So you can write sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta, one thing. And again you can write cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta, and tan theta is equal to, you can write 1 upon cot theta. Similarly, cosec theta equal to 1 upon sin theta, sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta, and cot theta equal to 1 upon tan theta. You can write yourself. So in this way, you have seen that in a right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degree obviously. So if you take any other angle which is acute, Then for that angle, for that angle, that we find the ratios of the sides of the triangle, and these are six ratios, which are called sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, and cot. And these trigonometrical ratios, sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, cot, are as sine theta equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos theta equal to base upon hypotenuse, and tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base. This. So I have written in the form of the name of the sides here, taking this angle C equal to theta, and then sin theta 1 upon cosec theta, cos theta 1 upon sec theta, tan theta equal to 1 upon cot theta. So you have to learn this.